Alright, here we are with the Bianchi SL3 frame has arrived all the way from Italy. Took long enough. Thinking when you want something really bad, it always seems to take longer. But anyway, the frame is in great shape. The guy selling it obviously did a little bit of touch-up paint where it always gets scratched. So the paint's not perfect. I'm never looking for a perfect frame because if you want something perfect, good luck. You're going to pay for it. It was a really good deal. These are not easy to find, especially in Ireland. And but I do think they are wildly underrated as far as frames go. They are pretty. So that's not, I know, that's never in doubt. It's just that they just seem to be really undervalued. Everybody wants something either super vintage and super light steel, Columbus, SLX, Bianchi TSX sort of stuff. These, mid-2000s aluminum just seems to be overlooked at the moment, and I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's because they sometimes crack underneath the head tube. This one is perfect. People just have a fear of aluminum, or it's just, oh, it's cheap or whatever. I think these frames ride great, and a lot really just depends on the components you put in them and how you set them up. So, yeah, this one took me a long time to find it. Really happy I could make a deal with the guy online. Got it from him, and yeah, I'm gonna throw some wheels on it that I've kind of been saving for a build. I tried to get rid of them, but they're just kind of nice enough to keep. So we'll get the fork on this, get a stem on it, put the wheels on, and then wait for the rest of the components to arrive from another long delivery. But hey, look, I live on an island. What are you expecting, Right, so here we go. And we're back with a quick short video. And Millie's here too. And this is the bottom bracket of my Bianchi SL3. And after cleaning it out and washing it out with WD-40 and wiping it down and brushing it with a toothbrush and cleaning it some more, this thing did not want to go in very far. So I cleaned it some more and kind of had to resort to, I hate to say it, brute force, where I just fired it in there, knowing full well that I could be screwing something up, but I was very confident that I had correctly threaded it. It was threading just fine until about halfway in, and then it just didn't really want to go so much. But after a process of going in and out and cleaning and back in and back out and in and out for a while, you can see it's fully seated. It's well in there. It's smooth. It's fine. Same with the other side, where, man, it did not want to go. It did not want to go in fully. Like, it would go about halfway, and then, and the threads didn't look terrible. They just didn't look great. And I wish I had a thread chaser for bottom brackets, and I might do that. Might get myself a BSA, standard tap. But yeah, as you can see, they're in. They look great. Good old square taper, and yeah, the frame is going to slowly start coming together as more parts come in, components. I'm expecting a lot more today, but yeah, that's your bottom bracket. If you have similar sort of issues where it does not want to go together, just be patient. Clean. Use a lot of anti-seize, and just be confident that you're not screwing it up. You're probably not. Just go slow and be careful. That's it for today. I'll post more as the build comes together. And yeah, Millie says hello too.